Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to download KCPE and KCSE on a NEC portal. Now, if it is your first time to do this exercise, all you have to do is that you have seen in this particular page, there's what we call NEC portal.ac.ke. So that is the link that you are supposed to click after visiting Google. Then from there you'll proceed to this page, to the website. And once you are in this website, you will see there's what we call primary and then secondary. Now, all you have to do here is that for you to access the result slip, you have to click on online result slip for the sake of primary schools, KCPE, and then it will bring you to this particular page whereby you will be required to log in using the details that you used before. Now, there's a trick here where many people find difficult in terms of logging in here. All you have to do is that you need to use the school NEC code that it was given for you to access this particular service, and then the password which you used during KCPE 2022 registration, and then you'll have to key in those details, then you log in. So once you have logged in, you will see several boxes. First, under the box labeled from index, input the index number of the first candidate in full, and in the box and in the box labeled to index number, input the last candidate's index number. Click on view report. Now, once you have clicked on view report, you will wait a bit for the result slip to load. When all the results are loaded, click on the menu labeled export. Now, in that export menu, all you have to do is that there are some formats that you have to use. Then if you want to open the file using Excel or using Microsoft Word or using PDF, then you will have to choose one of the format that will be clear, and it will be easier for you to download that document so that you can be able to print. And once you have selected, then the KCPE result slip will be downloaded to an offline storage, whereby you'll be able to now print the result slip, and then that one will be the end of that particular exercise. Now, for the sake of secondary, you also follow the same thing, whereby you'll have to click on result slip, and then it will bring you again to this one, this login page, whereby you have to put the details, and then from there you'll be able to download the result slip, and then it will be the end of it. So guys, thank you so much for following and viewing this video. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and be part of the family. Thank you. See you next time.